All right, so number 6, the clear opening width at any entry door that meets the typical ADA standards is A, 36, B, 32, C, 30, D, 42. I would imagine that many of you probably would answer that as 36 inches. The actual answer is B, 32 inches. And the reasoning there is if you imagine you have a door.
We do need drawing music for you, by the way.
I know, yeah, please add it in the post-production, will you? So there's my 36-inch door, and by it being 36 inches, by the time I've got the door, the thickness of the door handle, the stop over here, this is the amount of space left for to stop the physical door. A 36-inch door will leave me easily 32 inches. So by meeting the code of 32, we mostly use 36-inch doors. So the point of saying this is not to be overly tricky, although it is obviously a trick question. The point is to say that think about what the question is actually about. In this case, it's asking about ADA standards. It's not asking about how big is the door, right? And so you're looking for the clue to how you're supposed to answer the question.